Dear friends and students, in this very short video I am going to do lesson 5 today and tomorrow. This is for class 6 chapter today and tomorrow by J.E. Carpenter. Question number 5, writing skill. This is informal letter. Letter that we write to our relatives are called informal letter, and while on the other hand the letter that we write to the officers are called formal letter. Now let us read the question. This is the question part. Write a letter to your brother living in a hostel to maintain a balance between playing games and studying so as to make a most productive use of time. This is now answer part. Kankarba colony, this is the address. Whatever address is, suppose for example if address is given in the question, you should write the same thing. See, then this is the date. We have to, when we are writing a letter, we should follow the format. Dear brother, I received your letter yesterday. I am happy to learn that you are in the pink of health. I am writing this letter as you are living in a hostel to advise you that you should maintain a balance between games and studies. Excess of anything is bad. Playing for 2 to 3 hours is enough. This is the advice, an elder brother is giving to his younger one. Your examinations are at hand, so devote some time to studies so as to make the most productive use of time. Then this is the concluding part of the letter. See, your loving brother Aman, whatever name is given, you should write the same. Now let us do the another part of this very writing skill. The question, this is the question. Now question is, write a short story to illustrate the proverb, a stitch in time saves 9. See, this is the answer part. A stitch in time saves 9 means if you sort out a problem immediately, it may save a lot of extra work. If we settle a problem in the very beginning stage, it does not become a big one. It doesn't become an issue or big issue, huge issue. Therefore, if we have to settle any kind of, if a problem is there, we first of all should try to settle it in the very beginning stage. Now this is the story that we are going to do. There was a girl called Rosie. She was in habit of eating a lot of wafers and chocolates. As a result, her tooth started decaying. She didn't take notice of it. One day her tooth started giving a lot of pain. She was crying and she could not control her pain. She went to her mother and showed the tooth to her. Mother was very much surprised to see her tooth had developed a cavity. Immediately they went to a dentist. The dentist recommended her to brush twice a day. Generally what happens, doctors, they advise us to brush our teeth twice a day and to wash her mouth before and after every meal. We all should wash our mouth before and after the meal. So the same thing was advised by the doctor, and to wash her mouth before and after every meal to avoid all types of dental problems. Rosie stuck to the advice of the dentist. Slowly and steadily she recovered from her illness. She is okay now. She now avoided all types of junk food. Now she is not taking the junk food. Now her tooth started, now her teeth were shining and looking like pearl. Her quick response to small problem helped her to avoid the bigger problems and dangers. So we can say that a stitch in time saves 9. If we try to settle if any issue is there, we should try to settle it at the very beginning stage. That is the exact meaning of stitch in time saves 9. This is the very short story. I think this very video will be very much helpful to you. Thank you.